Hello friends, welcome to Fun Learn with Srijit. Today we will learn about fire. Do you know how fire produced? Fire produced by matchbox, lighter, and electric spark. Uses of fire. Fire can be used to cook food. Fire can be used to bake clay. Fire can be used to provide light in dark places. Provide heat in cold places. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.